Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonia Riziki. Someone told me that I don't say my name. Oops, sorry. I don't say my name in my videos. So I am Sonia. Welcome back to my channel. It's 2020. I feel like I'm a bit far. It's 2020 and this is the first video of 2020. I know it's February. I got caught up with January. So I am still trying to figure out the lighting in this house. I'm really hoping that this light at the back will not affect the quality of the video. Crossing my fingers. So in this video, I'm going to attempt to make a softbox. Those of you who are new YouTubers like me, you went shopping looking for a ring light or a softbox or any type of lighting for your set, only for you to realize that those things are damn expensive. They're not cheap, by the way. They are so not cheap. So I decided, since I don't have 18,000 to buy a light, let me try and figure out how to make something. So what I'm going to use, I'm going to use cardboard. I'm using cardboard, I'm using foil, and I'm using black paper and a few things. I'll show you what I'll need. So here is to all of you struggling upcoming YouTubers like myself who needs lighting to make your set look fantastic, fabulous, a bit professional. You're at least trying. This might help. So let's get to it. Wait, I was about to say let's get together and let's get to it. I hope you like it. If you like it, share, subscribe, thumbs up. You know. Hiya. Let's do this. You're going to need a couple of things. You're going to need cardboard or a carton box. You're going to need a pair of scissors, some glue. So when I use glue, I like using either this glue or this one. Sorry, this one, the Pelican one. I think they're all Pelican. Yeah, and hot glue. You're gonna need a pencil. You're gonna need a wire. You're gonna need a bulb. You're gonna need this to connect your bulb. So if you have this, like I got this from, I can't remember the name of the building, but it's on the junction of Accra Road and I think River Road. There's a guy who sells them. So this one is for the screw-in bulb, and this one is for the bulb that has those two things here. So you could get both, so you can use either. So if you have the screw-in one, you just put it inside and use this. If you have the other one, you remove this one and use this. You're gonna need a cutter and okay, let me put the cardboard away because I've already cut my patterns. Sorry. You're going to need a ruler. You are going to need either black manila paper. This is paper, but this is not manila, this is embossed paper. The paper I got from Textbook Center, I think it was 90 bob if I'm not wrong. If you don't want to use paper, you can use black spray paint, or you can just paint. So it depends on what you decide to use. You're gonna need tape. I think, is it masking or binding tape? I don't know what it's called. And you're gonna need aluminium foil. Now, And you're going to need somewhere where you can put your softbox. I'm going to use a broomstick handle. I need to find it. I don't know where it is. And then you see this inner part of this inner part of the foil. Don't throw it away because you might need it. You might not, to fix the bulb. That we will know later on. So what you need to do is cut your cardboard into these dimensions and put a photo on the side. So the top part, this should be 14 centimeters, and the middle part, the inner part, this from here to here, should be 18. On this side, from here to here, from top to bottom, should be 27. On this side should be 36 centimeters, and on this side, now it is not the full length from here to the bottom, it's from here to here, so it's 18 centimeters. Now what you're gonna do is cut out your foil so you can glue it on top of this like this. Oh, and you're going to need 4 of this cardboard. So what you will do is cut your foil and glue it like this. The shiny part of the foil, you know, foil has different parts. It has this part that's not so shiny, and then there's this part that's really shiny. So the part that's really shiny should be a part that should be on top. And then at the back, you're gonna either spray paint it black or put your black paper or paint it black. I'm going to use paper. Now you'll notice some of the parts on the sides, maybe the foil didn't really cover the part, or maybe the black part didn't cover everything. So what you're gonna do is take your black tape and tape it on the edges of your cardboard. So this side and this side. So once you glue the whole, all the 4 pieces, this is what it's going to look like. So what you need to do is measure this. Sorry, the footage is going to be different because I'm using a different camera. My other camera has decided not to work, I don't know why. So you need to measure this space, this one, and then cut a board that's gonna cover that like this. Draw a circle. Hopefully at the middle. I would suggest you use this to cut it, because if you use a pair of scissors, it's not gonna really work. I don't think so. So let's cut. This is hot glue, and we're gonna glue this together. Now you'll notice once you put the back, the thingy, okay, let me call it the soft box, the box becomes more stable than it was. So this is what it's going to look like. This is what it looks like outside. And there's like a space here. I don't know if you can see this hole here. I'd advise you put black tape around here also. So I got these wires because I wanted the black one, but the guy didn't have the black one, so he gave me this one. He said it will do the same thing, so I'm hoping it will. And let's do this. God, do I even remember what he said? Then you're supposed to expose the wires that are inside here. Okay, so you can do this by yourself, or you can get someone to do it for you. I needed to measure everything and be sure that I had everything, so I decided I'll just try and do it myself. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna look for someone to do it for me. But, oh yeah, that wires. Okay, so he said, because you see this is a front part and the back part, you know, beginning and the end. And he said there's no right and wrong. Is that what he said? Oh my god, we're gonna get electrocuted in this house, man. So, he said, what did he say? That you need to connect one here and one here. He didn't say anything about the middle. So, that's what we're going to do. So, he said that I don't have to remove the entire like screw. I don't know if you can see this screw and this screw. I just push it up a bit and engisha the wires. So that's what I'm going to do. So that's fixed. Now we have to do this end to this. are these things supposed to go? Here and here? I don't know. I think he said here and here. Let's try it out. If it doesn't work out, we'll put it somewhere else. Sorry, I had to cut the video short because it ended up being really long to 35 minutes. So watch out for part 2 next Wednesday.